So with VoiceOwl, we are automating contact center operations or customer experience overall for an enterprise. There are three major problems when it comes to contact centers right now. One is the very high average handling time. We spend a lot of time on IVRs. The human agent keeps us on hold for finding information from the systems, talking to someone else, and the lack of reliability or the knowledge of a human agent against solving our problems, which requires multiple conversations over a period of time. So we are here to solve the entire customer experience, and not just about automating the phone calls. That's how we start. But the agents can actually interact with the business systems. It's anything which is a pre and post process call, getting certain information, updating the database, CRM or any system of record, doing any kind of follow-up triggers. So post an action needs to be taken post the phone call can be automatically created by the agent during the phone call itself. Building analytics out of the phone calls, so doing a self QA of the phone calls, automatically putting up the problem areas or identifying the issues which can be automatically improved by pushing the prompts to better structure for the following calls. Giving business insights out of the entire campaign, so not just a single call analytics, but if you're running a campaign or you're trying to achieve a goal towards with this process, then what are the business insights and how do you act upon it? And building completely autonomous personalized journeys towards a goal. So if you have a goal planned, like let's say renewal is a goal or sales is a goal, multiple interactions over a period of time and over multiple channels can be completely automated using AI. So it's not about just making phone calls now, it's about automating the entire customer experience for an enterprise. And it comes with a powerful control center. So how we talk of running an organization with multiple departments and multiple functions in it. Similarly, we are imagining that AI agents would also require a lot of management at scale. So we have created a no-code platform where you can actually create agents. It's a modular architecture. You can plug in any LLM you want. You can bring voice models of your choices. You can have your custom models to anything which is launched, let's say a week back, and you would find something here to use it end to end. It comes with a symbolic layer. That means if you have certain rule sets, if you have certain definitions of policies in the company, the bot can actually follow your company policies and rule sets during the conversation. It can always check back and then bring that input to the model to generate a proper response out of it. It has you can use it as mixture of experts. So if you are doing an inbound contact center, so you can have a separate bot which is for support or separate for service on the same phone call, and both the bots can have different models running on the back, and they can switch between each other within fraction of seconds on the same phone call. It can carry memory and context between conversations, between across various channels, as well as the entire journey over a period of time as well. So making it completely autonomous in terms of you don't have to repeat any kind of information, you don't have to worry about what knows or doesn't know, like happens with the human agent. And very importantly, since we are working with mostly large enterprises, observability and evaluation becomes a big question, because hallucination is still a problem. And how do we solve it? How do we know that in 1 lakh calls how many calls went bad, or what were the problem areas? So continual observability and evaluation also is part of our entire enterprise platform. And it comes with definitely data security and privacy. How do we mask data? How do we anonymize data before communicating to a large language model? How do we limit the exposure of PII across the platform? All of this is configurable as a no-code platform with VoiceOwl. These are some of the brands we are working both domestically as well as internationally across BFSI, healthcare, and B2B sales. What impact we have brought till now is one of the insurance companies when started using our bots in comparison to the conventional NLP bots, they actually found 2 times more conversions on the first contact itself with our bots. We have seen a drop of 40% of the cost for inbound contact centers, with lowering AHT, that is average handling time of the call, as well as improving the customer experience overall. In US, this has gone to as low as 65% against the human calls itself. I'll give a quick example. An average call or issue solving for the enterprise was between $20 to $40. We are right now doing in our initial pilots, we have solved it at $2. So that's a 90% drop for a US retail giant. And you can work at scale. So reaching out. So if I'm trying to find something, a product online, I'm trying to buy and I want to talk. 24/7 availability is still a challenge with human agents. I want instant or real-time communication. So one company out of UK has scaled 20x when it comes to real-time conversation back to the customer. And this scale is dynamic. So across the 24-hour cycle, there would be certain time where you would be using at 20x and certain point you would be using at 2x. So it works completely dynamic. I think we can have a quick video to show an example conversation.
Hello. Coverage for dental? Yes, but can you tell me, can I add loss of baggage in silver plan? Is that possible?
I understand your confusion, Dilpreet. I'm sorry, but the loss of baggage coverage is not available in the silver plan. It is only included in the gold and platinum plans. If you want coverage for loss of baggage, you would need to opt for the gold or platinum plan. Is there anything else you would like to know about the plan?
नहीं तो इतना तो budget ही नहीं है ना. I saw it online, but I don't have a budget to buy gold plan. What is the best possible insurance that you can give me in minimum budget?
I completely understand, Dilpreet. In that case, the silver plan would be the best option for you. It provides basic coverage at a more affordable price. It includes emergency medical expenses, dental expenses, personal accident cover, and hospital cash. Even though it doesn't include coverage for loss of baggage, it still offers essential benefits to ensure your peace of mind during your travel. Would you like me to assist you with purchasing the silver plan?
Yes, but can एक और चीज मुझे ये पूछनी थी कि नॉमिनी कैसे फाइल करना है?
नॉमिनी की डिटेल्स ऐड करने के लिए आपको पॉलिसी परचेज करते
Answering the questions, but can be suggestive as well. Thank you.